Good morning to all. See today's problem. We will pass some journal entries. Journalize the following transactions. First, outstanding salary at the end of the year rupees 3,400. It means the salary payable at the end of the year rupees 3,400. It is due but not paid. Second, allow interest on capital of rupees 5 lakhs at 6%. It means capital is rupees 5 lakhs of that firm and we have to allow 6% interest on capital. Okay. Third, out of insurance premium paid this year, rupees 2,500 is related to next year. It means this insurance premium is prepaid. पुढच्या वर्षीची इन्शुरन्सची अमाऊंट आपण आधीच भरली आहे असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. 4, चार्ज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स रुपीज 2,000. 5th, प्रोवाइड डेप्रिसिएशन at 10% on machinery of rupees 5 lakhs for 9 months. It means the cost of machinery is rupees 5 lakhs. This machinery has been used for 9 months. So we have to charge, that is provide depreciation at 10% for 9 months. Next, closing stock at the end of the year rupees 1,30,000. This closing stock will be transferred to trading account at the end of the year, so we will pass the entry accordingly. Next, commission due but not received rupees 2,400. It means commission is receivable 2,400. And last, interest received in advance rupees 700. It means we have received the interest before it is due rupees 700. So let's solve now this problem. Let's pass the journal entries here. First journal entry. Outstanding salary at the end of the year rupees 3,400. It means it is due but not paid by us. In this entry, two accounts will be involved, that is salary account and outstanding salary account. Salary is our expense and outstanding salary is our liability. Here, due to these expenses, our expenses are increasing. Increase in expenses will be debited as per modern concept. So we will debit salary account and we will credit outstanding salary account because it is our liability, and as this amount is not paid by us, our liability also increases, and increase in liability should be credited according to modern concept. Okay, that is modern rules of debit and credit. So we will pass entry now. Salary account debit rupees 3,400 to outstanding salary account rupees 3,400, and narration will be salary outstanding at the end of the year. This will be the narration. Now let's discuss the second entry. Allow interest on capital of rupees 5 lakhs at 6%. I told you here capital of the business is rupees 5 lakhs and we are allowing interest at 6% per annum. So 6% of 5 lakhs we have to calculate. When we calculate 6% of 5 lakhs, it will be 30,000, and in this entry two accounts will be involved, interest on capital account and capital account. Interest on capital is our expense, and as we will pay interest on capital, our expense will increase. Increase in expenses will be debited as per modern concept, and capital is capital. Capital account will be credited as there will be increase in capital because of interest on capital. याचा अर्थ असा आहे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल म्हणजे ओनरकडून आपण कॅपिटल वापरायला घेतलं आहे म्हणून बिझनेस त्याला इंटरेस्ट देणार आहे. तो त्याला रोख पैशात दिला जात नसून त्याच्या कॅपिटलमध्ये तो ॲड केला जाईल. सो कॅपिटल विल ऑल्सो इन्क्रीज अँड व्हेन देर इज इन्क्रीज इन कॅपिटल, capital account will be credited as per modern rules of debit and credit. So here we will pass entry, interest on capital account will be debited and capital account will be credited. Interest on capital account debit, rupees 30,000, that is 6% of capital amount 5 lakhs to capital account. आपण हे अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशनमध्ये पण शिकलेलो आहोत. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल हे नेहमी कॅपिटलमध्ये ॲड केलं जातं, ओनरच्या कॅपिटलमध्ये ते ॲड केलं जातं. ओके, सो नॅरेशन विल बी इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल अलाउड ॲट 6%. Now third entry, out of insurance premium paid this year, rupees 2,500 is related to next year. As I told you, it means rupees 2,500 is prepaid. This amount is paid for next year. It is called as prepaid, that is paid in advance. So two accounts will be involved here, prepaid insurance account and insurance account. Prepaid insurance account is our asset because amount is paid but service is receivable, and anything receivable will be our asset. So prepaid insurance is our asset. It is increasing, so prepaid insurance account is debited. As there is increase in asset, account should be debited as per modern rule of debit and credit. And insurance account, it is our expense, it decreases, so insurance account is credited. Insurance means insurance premium. Okay, so entry will be prepaid insurance account debit to insurance account. To insurance account, 2,500. Insurance premium paid in advance. Okay, this will be the narration of third transaction. Now fourth transaction. Fourth transaction is charge interest on drawings rupees 2,000. Interest on drawings is charged by the business on drawings of the owner. ओके, ओनर बिझनेसमधनं जी गुड्स किंवा कॅश विड्रॉ करतो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ड्रॉइंग्स. वी ऑल नो दॅट. या ड्रॉइंग्सवर इंटरेस्ट चार्ज केला जातो बाय द बिझनेस, सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. हियर टू अकाउंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड, drawings account and interest on drawings account. Drawings account will be debited and interest on drawings account will be credited. Okay, so entry will be drawings account debit rupees 2,000, to interest on drawings account 2,000, and narration interest on drawings charged. Here drawings account is debited because drawings account is related to capital account. Due to interest on drawings, capital decreases, so decrease in capital, and interest on drawings is our income. There is increase in income of the business, so it is credited. Okay, now fifth entry is about depreciation on machinery. The amount of machinery is given rupees 5 lakhs and we have to calculate 10% depreciation on machinery for 9 months. Here I will show you working rather than solving on another page. I will solve here the working of calculating depreciation and then we will pass the journal entry in next page. So working note, depreciation first we have to calculate on the machinery, that is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 10% into 9 months. ओके, सो असं तुम्ही एकत्रही करू शकता किंवा तुम्ही मंथचं नंतरही करू शकता. बघा, समजा मंथचं नंतर केलं तर तुम्हाला समजत असेल तर त्या पद्धतीने समजवते मी. 2 झिरोच्या अगेन्स्ट 2 झिरो कॅन्सल झाले. 5000 इंटू 10 मीन्स 50,000. आपण 50,000 अमाऊंट ही तोंडी पण काढू शकतो. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं आहे 5 लॅक्सचं 1 झिरो कॅन्सल केलं की येणारी अमाऊंट ही 10% अमाऊंट असते. सो डेप्रिसिएशन रुपीज 50,000 फॉर 12 months. दिस इज फॉर 12 months, दॅट इज पर ॲनम पर इयर. फ्रॉम दॅट वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट फॉर 9 months. देअरफॉर depreciation for 9 months is equal to 50,000 divided by 12 into 9. या ठिकाणी आपण डायरेक्टली डिवायडेड बाय 12 इंटू 9 असंही करू शकतो किंवा पहिल्यांदा डेप्रिसिएशन काढून घ्यायचं 12 मंथ्सचं आणि त्यानंतर डिवायडेड बाय 12 इंटू 9 असंही आपण करू शकतो. ओके, सो 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12 अँड आफ्टर 4 1 जा 4. 12,500 into 3 will be 37,500. So depreciation on machinery for 9 months will be 37,500. Now we have to pass the journal entry of depreciation, charging depreciation, providing depreciation. So here I will pass the journal entry. Entry will be depreciation account debit 37,500 to machinery account 37,500. Okay, here depreciation as account is debited because depreciation is our expense and losses. It increases, so account is debited, and due to depreciation our value of machinery will decrease in asset will be credited. So machinery account is credited and depreciation account is debited. Okay, so narration will be depreciation charged at 10% for 9 months on machinery. This will be the narration of this transaction. Now the sixth journal entry. See the next journal entry. It is about closing stock. They told us that closing stock at the end of the year rupees 1,30,000. Closing stock is always transferred to trading account. आपण नंतर ते स्टडी करणार आहोत. आत्ता आपण फक्त एंट्री बघूया. सो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड ॲज इट इज अवर ॲसेट and trading account will be credited. So entry will be closing stock account debit amount is 1,30,000 to trading account 1,30,000. After tallying all the accounts in ledger, we have to prepare a trial balance, and from trial balance we will prepare final accounts, that is trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet of the firm. At that time I will explain more about this entry. Now लक्षात ठेवा की क्लोजिंग स्टॉक हा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर केला जातो. सो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड अँड ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट विल बी credited. Narration will be closing stocks transfer to trading account. Now the next entry. See, next entry is about commission, and they told us that commission due but not received rupees 2400. It means it is accrued commission, that is commission receivable. It is due but not received. So two accounts will be involved. Commission receivable account you can say, or you can say accrued commission account and commission account, and the entry will be accrued commission account debit to commission account, and amount is given 2400. See here, accrued commission, that is commission receivable, it is our asset. Anything receivable will be our asset. So commission accrued, it means commission receivable, it is our asset. It increases, so asset increases, assets account will be debited. Okay, and commission is our income, it also increases, so commission account is credited. Narration will be commission accrued or receivable adjusted or shown, we can see, or we can write as commission due but not received. Okay, now the next entry is about interest, and they told us that interest received in advance rupees 700. Okay, interest received in advance means it is due, but it is not due but received. It means it is unearned interest. Okay, it is received before it is due. So two accounts will be involved here, interest account and unearned interest account. Interest account will be debited, debit 700 to unearned interest account, $700. Narration will be interest received in advance. See, as we have received interest in advance, service is yet payable. So anything payable will be our liability. So unearned interest will be our liability. It increases. So this account is credited. Okay, and interest account is debited 700. Now you have to make the total of this journal. All debit column items will be added, and the total is 2,08,500. And now credit total of all credit items, this is the working. So total is 2,08,500. In this way we have to prepare journal when various kinds of transactions are given. That's all.